Welcome to this YouTube video on the introduction to ChatGPT and ChatGPT-4. In this video, you will discover the power of this AI language model and its latest version, ChatGPT-4. You will learn how to leverage these tools for your business, marketing, or personal use, and explore the various ways in which ChatGPT and ChatGPT-4 can help you achieve your goals. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with ChatGPT, this video offers valuable insights and information that you won't want to miss. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the world of ChatGPT and ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4, as a powerful AI language model, can help improve your marketing strategy in several ways. Firstly, you can use ChatGPT-4 to generate high-quality content, such as blog posts or social media captions, that resonates with your target audience. This content can be customized to fit your brand voice and style, ensuring consistency across your marketing channels. Additionally, ChatGPT-4 can help you identify the most effective keywords and topics to target in your marketing campaigns. By analyzing data and trends in your industry, this will allow you to optimize your content for search engines and social media algorithms, increasing your visibility and engagement. Lastly, ChatGPT-4 can assist you in creating personalized messaging and customer interactions through chatbots, which can improve customer experience and loyalty. Overall, using ChatGPT-4 can greatly enhance your marketing strategy and help you achieve your business goals. Notion AI is a powerful tool that can be integrated with ChatGPT-4 to create even more effective marketing strategies. By using Notion AI, you can analyze your data and understand your target audience better, which will allow you to create more personalized content that resonates with them. Additionally, you can use Notion AI to automate certain tasks, such as lead generation or customer support, which frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. By combining Notion AI with ChatGPT-4, you can gain a competitive edge in your marketing efforts and achieve better results in terms of engagement, conversions, and revenue. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can be leveraged in various ways to make money. One way is by providing AI chatbot services to businesses and charging for the service. Another way is by offering content creation services that utilize ChatGPT to generate unique and high-quality content for clients. ChatGPT can also be used to create and sell digital products such as ebooks or online courses. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to develop and sell AI-powered tools, such as chatbots or automated content generators, to businesses or individuals looking to enhance their digital presence. Finally, ChatGPT can be used to provide consulting services to businesses looking to improve their marketing strategy or enhance their customer experience. Using ChatGPT to create a personalized chatbot for your website or blog can be a powerful tool to engage with your audience and increase conversions. You can start by training the model with the type of questions and answers you want your chatbot to provide. Once the model is trained, you can integrate it with a chatbot platform like Dialogflow or Tars to create your own custom chatbot. With ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language, your chatbot can provide personalized responses to user inquiries and even recommend products or services based on their preferences. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and ultimately higher revenue for your business. Chatbots have become increasingly popular on social media platforms for businesses to improve customer service, automate responses, and increase engagement. With ChatGPT-4, building a social media chatbot has become easier than ever. Start by identifying the specific needs and goals of your business and target audience. Then, use ChatGPT-4's advanced natural language processing capabilities to create a personalized experience for your customers. You can also integrate the chatbot with your social media accounts using APIs, which will allow your chatbot to communicate with customers in real time. The chatbot can provide product recommendations, answer frequently asked questions, and even assist in completing transactions. Building a social media chatbot with ChatGPT-4 can save your business time and resources while providing an efficient and engaging experience for your customers. Several businesses have successfully utilized ChatGPT to enhance their revenue streams. For instance, an online fashion store used ChatGPT to create a personalized chatbot that recommends clothing items to customers based on their preferences, increasing customer engagement and sales. Similarly, a travel agency used ChatGPT to develop a chatbot that assists customers in booking flights and hotels, resulting in increased bookings and customer satisfaction. Additionally, a marketing agency utilized ChatGPT to automate its customer service processes, freeing up time for employees to focus on other tasks, leading to more clients and revenue. These success stories highlight the potential of ChatGPT to enhance businesses' revenue streams and customer experiences. ChatGPT is an AI language model that has been continuously evolving since its inception. Its latest version, ChatGPT 4, has revolutionized the way businesses interact with their customers. With the advancement of AI and natural language processing, the potential for ChatGPT to enhance business revenue streams is enormous. The ability to personalize customer interactions, create chatbots, and generate content at scale makes ChatGPT an indispensable tool for businesses. In addition, with the rise of e-commerce and the demand for personalized experiences, ChatGPT's potential for profit in 2023 and beyond is significant. As AI technology continues to advance, ChatGPT will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of businesses and their revenue growth. In conclusion, ChatGPT 4 is a powerful tool that can enhance your marketing strategy, boost your revenue streams, and streamline your business processes. By leveraging Notion AI with ChatGPT 4, you can achieve better results and create personalized chatbots for your website or social media channels. Furthermore, there are several ways to make money with ChatGPT, including creating chatbots for clients or selling access to your personalized chatbot. As the future of AI continues to evolve, ChatGPT has great potential for profit in 2023 and beyond. To integrate ChatGPT into your business strategy, start by identifying areas where a chatbot could improve customer engagement and conversion rates. From there, you can explore the various features of ChatGPT 4 and develop a plan to implement it into your business processes. With the right approach and strategy, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset for any business looking to increase revenue and improve customer satisfaction. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope that you found it informative and useful for your business or personal endeavors. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback and would love to hear your thoughts on the content we presented. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with the latest information on topics related to ChatGPT, AI marketing, and making money online. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing more valuable content in the future. Thank you again for watching.